Okay guys, I'm going to make this a quick and simple tutorial. So to do the mask, I'm having to trace the outline of the mask, like where I want the mask to actually be. And this will also be beneficial because this will show you where you need to start shading the areas as well. So I'm just tracing my face here, and I'm going to just trace out where I want the mask to be. And if y'all see me keep looking over, I'm looking at a picture that I have up of how I want, like, what I'm trying to replicate. So I'm sorry if y'all keep seeing me look away. I'm just trying to, this is my first time. I'm just trying to follow the steps. So I'm just looking over there. And then I had previously did a tutorial, and so that's where my makeup is on some areas. So you'll see me keep going back and forth, wiping it off and trying to clean off the areas. So for the most part, in these next couple steps, you'll just see me trace and trying to clean up as much makeup off my face as possible. So for the next couple of steps, that's what you'll see me do here. Is pretty much trace, clean up the area, and I'll try to almost like shade in the areas to just know where I want to like fix it. I'm also going to go in and apply makeup in areas that I kind of took some makeup off. This look requires my under my eyebrow to be white, so I'm going to go in and correct that as well with my concealer. But for the most part, I'm gonna let you guys just watch and see how I'm going to complete this look. So with this step, I found myself, the more I shadowed in the outline, the more I could see the placement of the mask. So what I'm doing here is I will use the pencil, but then I'm also going in with one of my Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm just using one of the dark brown shades in there, and I'm just shading in the outlines to help darken and just try to form that shadow look. we are blended out, guys. That's like the best I can do. Come together. You know, I can feel it. I'm just going in with my pressed powder. I do this one more brush because some little cracks I gotta get into. Alright guys, for this part right here, I'm going in with my NYX white eyeshadow base in my brush, and I'm just using my flat brush to like do the little parts as a mask. I'm using this as like to form like the shine or the highlights in the mask. You know, I have highlight on one and that would help, but I wanted to actually give like the plastic look, so I felt like the white eyeliner would help. And when I was following Nikkietutorials, she also used the white one, but she wanted to do like a porcelain effect. And when I tried to do that, and I didn't really like how it looks, so I'm glad I only filmed like the mask part and not me trying to make it a porcelain mask, because that look did not work out the best. But for the most part, I'm outlining some parts of my mask, and I'm just putting some like highlight areas that I'm trying to make that effect look like it's a plastic mask. Guys, I'm sorry that I'm not looking directly into the camera. I have another mirror right there. I know y'all know that because I've told y'all several times in every tutorial. But it's closer to me that I can see my face better than me looking in the camera. So I'm always looking over there, but I'm going to get better, guys, so I can look directly at y'all so y'all can actually see what I'm doing. But I'm really, for the most part, like I said before, just going in and finding areas where I want to apply the white highlighter areas, or just to apply that glossy look that I'm trying to make as a mask. Alright guys, well that's pretty much it for the video. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this look. I hope you guys enjoyed me continuing to provide you guys with great content. I appreciate you guys for watching, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next video.